Good morning, students. So, in our online class, we have discussed the exercise of the chapter 3. So, first, you have to write down the difficult words. They are lovely, shade, crying, hungry, bending, branches, matter, sailor, trunk, leaning, trembling, stump, unselfish, and humming. Now, what to do while you all are writing? I would like to explain you the summary of the tree once again. See, students, last day we have seen that it is the story of a boy and his relation with the tree. See, in my opinion, now this relation between the boy and the tree is very much similar, the relation we are having with our parents, don't you think? See, in the story you have seen that the boy was spending time when he was small. He was playing around the tree, he was spending time, but as he became a young man, he started coming to the tree when he requires something. And we have seen that when he wanted wood for making his house, he was sitting in the shade of the tree. And after becoming sailor, he wanted a ship, so he went to the tree, and the tree has allowed him to have his trunk. So, in the same way, when we are at our infant stage or in our childhood stage, we used to spend a lot of time with our parents. But when we used to grow up, जैसे ही हम बड़े होते हैं, हम अपने पेरेंट्स को टेक फॉर ग्रांटेड लेना शुरू करते हैं, है ना. जब हमें किसी चीज़ की ज़रूरत होती है, व्हेन वी रिक्वायर एनीथिंग, वी यूज टू गो टू आवर पेरेंट्स, अदरवाइज वी लेफ्ट देम अलोन. So it's very sad, है ना. So the story of this tree and the boy is very much similar to the relation we are having with our parents. Now, after the difficult word, now you can see there are some answer of the following. It's exercise number D3, where answer the following questions by completing the sentences. Why was the boy crying? He was crying because he was hungry. Where did the boy play? He played under the shade of the tree. What did the tree give to the boy? It gave him fruits to eat. Why did the tree allow the boy to cut the branches? It did so because the boy wanted to build a house. Why did the young man need a boat? He needed it because he became a sailor. Why did the old man looked helpless? He looked helpless because he had lost his ship. How did the tree help the old man? He asked the old man to make a fire of him. So you could write the answers in this way. Now the next exercise we'll see is D4, where we have to arrange the events according to the story. Now, what are the statements? The sentences given below tell the sequence of the story, however, and in jumbled order. Number them correctly in the proper order. So, the first one will be a young boy used to play in the shade of a tree. Now, number 2 will be the young boy ate the fruit of the tree to satisfy his hunger. Number 3 will be the young man cut the branches of the tree to build his house. The young man used the trunk of the tree to build a ship of his own will be number 4. And number 5 will be the old man burned the stump of the tree to escape cold weather. Now, the next exercise, that is D5. Now, what we have to do here? Here are some statements given below. Write who said this statement to whom and when. Eat my fruit, the tree said to the little boy when he was hungry. I want a house to live in, the young man said to the tree when he was going to marry. The captain is a cruel fellow, the young man said to the tree when he became a sailor. Make a fire of me, the tree said to the old man when he was trembling with cold. Now the next exercise is D6. Find words in the story which mean the same as given below. First word individually and then discuss with your partner. Now the first word is bending. The similar meaning of this word will be leaning. Leaning. Next is strong part of the tree, that is trunk. Trunk. Next word is worried, that is anxious. 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 A person who works on ships or boat. Sailor. 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 Next, a person who is not kind, that is cruel. Cruel. Now, write the opposites of the following words. Follow the example. So, the word is lovely. One is already have been done in the exercise, that is lovely. Opposite means ugly. Little, more. Cry, laugh. Happy, sad. Love, hate. Young, old. Cruel, kind. Lost, found. Selfish, unselfish. Now, think of a slogan on the importance of tree and write it in the box. Now you can see there are several words in the aid box. Now what we have to do, we have to create some slogans for the given picture for tree, which is showing the importance of tree. Now grow more trees, save trees, don't cut trees, don't burn wood, each one plant one. Okay, so in this way we have to finish the exercises. You have to do all these exercises in your English notebook. So next day we will start some other that is the Chipko movement. We will read and understand what is Chipko movement.